issue with the radar. Radar not response. Flaps too. Check. Speed check, gears down. Full flaps.
Approaching minimums. 300 minimums. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. Retard. Retard. Retard.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chicago International Airport with a local time. It's 5 past 3. Our local time is 3 past 3. With outside temperature, it's 70 degrees Celsius. Please remain to your seats until the aircraft is fully stopped. And hope to see you again with our airlines. Thank you very much.
Delta 1971 Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company. Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus Delta 1971.
Flap 0.
Delta 2684 company in November. Four 38, drop 2.5 out, cross runway 9 right, then turn left on November. Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of pop. Left and over, hold short of pop, Southwest 9012. Denver 3301, disregard traffic. Marshall, good night. Good night, man. We'll shoot 50 seconds. Runway 9 left, Joe Lima, 0.75. Across flight, 9 left on Lima, 0.75.